Hey there, and welcome back to Your Channel Name. Today, we're diving into a question that's been popping up a lot in the comments. Can you order checks from Relay Bank? Now, if you're new to Relay Bank, you might be wondering what it is. It's a digital-first bank that offers a range of financial services without the traditional brick-and-mortar branches. So, does this mean you can't get the old-fashioned checks? Let's find out. Understanding Relay Bank's digital-first approach. Before we get into the specifics, let's talk a bit about Relay Bank's approach. As a digital bank, they've designed their services to be convenient and accessible from anywhere. This means they've streamlined many of the traditional banking processes, including how you interact with your money. But does this mean they've eliminated checks entirely? Let's explore that possibility. The paperless trend in banking. In recent years, there's been a growing trend towards paperless banking. This is driven by a combination of factors, including environmental concerns, technological advancements, and a desire for convenience. Many banks are embracing this trend by offering more digital options and reducing their reliance on physical documents. Relay Bank is no exception. They've focused on providing a seamless digital experience, making it easy for customers to manage their finances online or through their mobile app. Checking options at Relay Bank. So, while Relay Bank may not offer traditional paper checks in the same way as a traditional bank, they do provide alternative options for making payments. Here are a few possibilities. Digital payments. Relay Bank likely offers a variety of digital payment methods, such as debit cards. These can be used for in-store purchases or online transactions. Mobile payments. You may be able to use your smartphone or other mobile device to make contactless payments. Bill pay. Relay Bank might provide a bill pay feature that allows you to pay bills directly from your account. ACH transfers. These electronic transfers can be used to send money between bank accounts. Wire transfers. For larger transactions or international payments, wire transfers may be an option. The benefits of digital payments. Asterisk. While some people may miss the convenience of writing a check, digital payments offer several advantages. Asterisk. Security. Digital payments can be more secure than paper checks, as they are less susceptible to fraud or loss. Asterisk. Convenience. Digital payments can be made quickly and easily from anywhere with an internet connection. Asterisk. Tracking. Digital transactions are typically easier to track and reconcile than paper checks. Is there a way to get checks? If you're still set on having paper checks, there may be a workaround. Some banks allow customers to order checks through third-party vendors. You could try researching these options to see if they're compatible with Relay Bank. However, it's important to note that using a third-party vendor may involve additional fees or processing times. Conclusion. So, can you order checks from Relay Bank? While they may not offer traditional checks directly, they provide a range of digital payment options that can be just as convenient and secure. If you're looking for a modern, digital-first banking experience, Relay Bank could be a great choice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.